Hey Bruno, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today and help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. As you see, I'm on your homepage. And Google loves content, so you want to make sure you have more than 1,500 words on your homepage, and you definitely need more content here with the correct keywords. Also, you need to make sure the pictures are saved in the right way, because that's also going to help you out to rank here. See, this is the numbers here. If here will be like some keywords, it will be much better for you. So the second thing I want to talk about, it's a citation. So if you come here, we can see the Google guaranteed ads. Then we see normal ads that we used to see, but now a lot of people have ad blockers, so they don't see this. And here we have a Mac pack. So what is a citation here is actually your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. And you might asking yourself, what is directory and how do I get on those? It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, it would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on the maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop, whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more. So that way you're completely dominating them and in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You see, like Yelp, the expertise, the home advisor. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal, and the link from the Pizza Hub is not going to do as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools over here, it's called Ahrefs, and it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. You see, you have no referring domains, no backlinks, and no words. So just want to show you the picture so you have an idea. Here, one of your competitors, they have 713 referring domains, and that gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they get in found of more than 26,000 keywords. And out of those keywords, they have more than 26,000 people on average to their site each month. So this is a very doable, and we specialize in that. So that's pretty much it, what I had for today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be great. And thanks again, and you have a great day.